Hello children, how are you all? I'm so happy to be back and I have come here to teach you something more, okay? And I know you are so happy to keep learning, right? I mean, being at home also, children, you all are able to learn so many things. And I know you are all excited, okay, to know what teacher has got for you today. Yes, today's topic, children, is going to give you a lot of knowledge. Okay, you're going to know and understand something really new. So, this is Margaret Fernandez, your nursery teacher from Toddledom. So, children, are you ready? Okay, so children, you know that every day you go to sleep in the night and then you get up, you brush your teeth, right? And then you have your breakfast. So when you get up in the morning, that is a new day, right? It's a new day. You brush your teeth, you have your breakfast, right? Then you sit and do your studies. Then in the afternoon, you take a small nap. Then you get up, you have your snacky, and then you play. And then you eat your dinner and then you go to sleep. And then you get up again in the morning and that's another new day. Yes, children, when you get up in the morning, that is a new day for you. And you know how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. That's right, children. There are 7 days in a week and all these 7 days have a name. Now you also have a name, right? My name is Margaret. So the same, you also have your name. So all these 7 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days, they all have names. And today, teacher is going to teach you days of the week. That's right, children. Teacher is going to teach you days of the week. So, let's see the names of the 7 days. Okay. So, first, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, children. These are called days of the week. Okay, so can you repeat after me, children? Come on. Monday, the first day. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Can you repeat after me, children? Come on, I want you to repeat after me loudly. Okay? Come on. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, Sunday is a fun day. Okay? Sunday is a day where you have lot of fun, right? All the 5 days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we all are very busy. But then Saturday and Sunday is called a weekend. You know why it is a weekend? And what can you do on this weekend? You know, this weekend is a very fun day where you can have lot of fun with your family. Yes. You can go out for a movie. You can do lot of masti with your family because even your daddy has holiday on Sunday and Sunday is like a fun day. Okay, children? So I hope you remember all the days of the week. Okay? So now let's do something. Okay? I'm going to sing a song for you so that you can remember all the days of the week. So are you ready, children, for this beautiful song that I have for you? Okay. So children, here we go. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every week has 7 days. Come on children, sing along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every week has 7 days. Yes, children, can you see that? Every week has 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now you have understood the days of the week. So now you know there are 7 days in a week. Can you repeat after me? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's right, children. Here we go. Can you repeat after me, children? Yes, please repeat after me loudly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's right. So children, I hope you got all the names. Okay, all the 7 names. Okay, you got all the days of the week. Okay, so now teacher is going to do something more exciting for you. Okay, keep watching. Okay children, ready? Come on, let's do it. Okay, come on. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Come on children, sing with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Come on children, I want you to sing along with me. Yes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Can you all sing along with me? Yes children, I want you to sing along with me the days of the week. Can you all sing along with me? Come on. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Wow, this is exciting. Come on children, I want you to sing along with me. Come on again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, I hope children you have got it all. Right? So did you know how easy it is to learn the days of the week? Right? So now children, I'm going to teach you something more. Okay? So look at this. Now this is Monday. Yes. Can you tell me? Repeat after me children. Monday. Now tell me what comes after Monday. Come on, come on. Think. What comes after Monday? Yes. Tuesday. That's right children. What comes after Monday is Tuesday. Good job. Now the next one. Now what comes after Tuesday? Yes children, what comes after Tuesday? Come on. Yes. Wednesday. That's right. What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Good job children. Now what comes after Wednesday? Come on children, think. What comes after Wednesday? That's right. Thursday. Yes. What comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Good job. Well done. Now what comes after Thursday? Come on children, think. What comes after Thursday? Friday. Yes, that's right. That's absolutely right. Well done children. Friday. Now what comes after Friday? Yes. Come on children. What comes after Friday? Saturday. That's right, children. Saturday. Yes. Now tell me, what comes after Saturday? Yes. Sunday, the fun day. That's right, Sunday. That's right, children. Good, well done. You all have given the right answer, and teacher is proud of you. And I hope you will remember all the days of the week. Okay? Can you remember? Can you tell once more? How many days are there in a week? Come on, children, tell me, how many days are there in a week? That's right. There are 7 days in a week. Can you tell me the names? Yes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's right, children. Great job. And teacher is really proud of you all. You all have done an excellent job. Okay, children, so I want you to go back and keep repeating the days of the week. Okay? So every day tell mommy to remind you which day is today. Okay? So you will know. Okay? So start from day 1, that is Monday, and tell your mom to tell you, okay, today is Monday, the next day will be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, children? So goodbye for now, children. Take care of yourself, and teacher will come back again with some more new topics for you. Okay, till then you make sure you need to learn the days of the week. Okay, so take help from your mommy and daddy, and please help them to teach you, okay, the days of the week. So take care, children, and make sure that you take care of yourself and eat well. Okay, and don't go out, be at home and be safe. Bye, children.